Hello everybody, this is Dr. Gita Mathai and this is my Health Vibes channel. Today we are going to talk about baldness. Now, as people grow older, they feel that the hair on their head is not as nice as it used to be. It's not so luxurious, it is not so shiny, and it doesn't grow as long. This is because all hair has a growth phase and a sleeping phase. And the growth phase becomes shorter and the sleeping phase becomes longer as you grow older. So the hair does not grow to the length that it grew previously. Also, some of the hair follicles die as we grow older, and if these follicles are not replaced, then the hair becomes scanty on the top of the head. Now, this also becomes worse if there is deficiencies of iron, zinc, iodine, thyroid disease, diabetes, or if you are on certain medications. Now, if you feel your hair has become very short, very brittle, and you're losing hair from all over your head, check yourself for these diseases and see if you're on any medication which is aggravating the problem. If you have any deficiency which may be aggravated by your diet, you may be on a strange diet to lose weight which is deficient in nutrients and minerals. Then if you correct all this and still your hair is falling off and not as nice as it used to be, then see if it is your hair washing techniques. Shampoos should be sulfate free, paraben free, should not contain formaldehyde and should not contain sulfates. These sulfates are foaming agents, so sometimes they are added to what is called a natural shampoo made out of herbs and other natural products, but the foaming agent, the sulfate, has been added so that you feel good when you wash your hair. That also will make your hair fall. Some people think that they should put salt on their head, but sodium chloride makes your hair fall. After you wash your hair, please don't apply conditioner. But if you are going to apply conditioner, please check that that also does not contain these harmful chemicals. If you don't do any of these things and you're a young man and you suddenly find that you have lost the hair from the top of your head and you have a bald patch and your temples are receding so that your forehead appears to be very large, then you have developed male pattern baldness. This is genetic, it is inherited, and usually male members of the family will also have the problem. The thing is, this male pattern baldness tends to appear in each generation at a younger age. In the olden days, it did not matter because people wore turbans and they wore hats. But nowadays, people become very self-conscious about the hair loss on their top of the head. To make it even worse, their beards and moustaches are usually very luxuriant, and this presents a sharp contrast to what is happening on the top of their head. Women usually do not get male pattern baldness until they reach menopause. But women also lose hair, but it tends to be from all over the head, so that the hair becomes thin, but there is no obvious bald patch. Sometimes irregular bald patches can appear. This is an autoimmune disease called alopecia areata, and it is just one patch of hair which disappears. Now, there are medications which can be used to restore the hair growth. One is minoxidil. This has to be applied every day, and you should not shampoo your hair for 4 to 6 hours after you apply this chemical. It makes your hair grow, but that again takes 4 to 6 months, and the hair is never as nice as your original hair. It is fine, fuzzy and baby-like, and if you stop the medication within a few weeks, all the hair that has grown falls out again. Some people take tablets of finasteride. This chemical also makes the hair grow on the head, but it has the same problems as minoxidil. If you stop using it, the hair falls out. So what is the solution to this problem? Now, hair transplantation has become very popular. When this procedure was first started, square patches of hair were taken from the thigh, from the back of the head and applied. They looked very artificial and it looked like the grass which you place on your lawn to grow. But now the technique has been fine-tuned and there is FUE technique and FUSS technique, where 1 or 2 hairs are taken from the back of the head where the hair is luxurious. They make sure that the hair grows in the same direction as the hair that is being replaced, and these hair follicles are replaced on the top of the head 2 and 3 at a time. Within 4 to 6 months, the person has a natural looking head of hair. It is very resistant, not fine and fuzzy, does not fall off and can be treated like your normal hair, and if looked after well, will last for a lifetime. Thank you. This is Dr. Gita Mathai signing off. This is my Health Vibes channel. If you liked what you heard, please prescribe to my channel and press the bell button. If you have any comments, please write into the comments column. The same content is available in Tamil. Thank you.